Hello, this tutorial shows you how to set up your Yahki education channel. By now, you would have been to our education channel page. Here, you would have selected one of our three offers. Let's say you selected Yahki Lite. You would have completed this form, naming yourself as the requester, claiming a URL for your school under the yahki.com domain, designating yourself or someone else as the administrator for your school channel, adding your name, website address, and so forth so that Yahki can verify your school is legitimate. You would have then received emails and a login. Now, what's the next step? Let me show you how you set up your channel for your school, adding teachers, students, groups, classes, and getting things rolling. So you go to yahki.com, sign in as the administrator. Here you will need to have your details for logging in as the channel administrator. That's the person you nominated previously as the administrator. It probably will be yourself. Let me log in. I'm an administrator at a demo school to show you how to do it. When you log in, you'll see the Yahki stream of stories. Click on your profile. You'll notice that the profile by default will come to you showing your Yahki public stories. These are the ones which run globally as a social network. Click on this tab here to select your school channel. When you click this, if you see here, the stories will change. Your profile is the same, but now instead of being public stories, you are in the safe walled garden school channel environment, and you can see the stories here are much more related to my school. You'll see that the number of followers change as well because you're operating just within your school channel. And you'll see, because you are the nominated channel manager, you will see this tab here. So let's say you've reached this point. You won't see any stories here because it's all new to your channel. You'll see this Channel Manager tab, and you click on that. You'll see three tabs: Teachers, Students, and Groups. First thing you can do is add teachers. Now, because this is Yahki Lite, currently there's only a facility to add 2 teachers. If you had have chosen one of the premium options, you'll be able to add more teachers. I've added 2 teachers. To add them, I simply click the tab here, which allows me to enter their details manually or enter them in bulk via a spreadsheet. The bulk upload probably is more relevant to your students, where here you'll see I can add students one by one. Perhaps if a student comes into the semester late and it's just a one-off, I can add them ad hoc, or at the start of the year or the start of my use of Yahki, I can choose a file, a spreadsheet, and upload the students. And that's very simple. You simply add the student's first name, last name, email address, and if you want, their year level or grade level. Adding the grade level is helpful, particularly if you have a large school, because it means when you want to allocate students to groups, you can filter first by grade or year level and then drag them into the groups. Here is where you create the groups. You can see I've already in this demonstration environment created quite a number of groups, and you can click this tab here to create a new group, which might be chess club, because in this particular place we share our ideas on the best chess moves. I can make that to do with my learning or some other area of learning, and I can assign the teacher for that group. As you upload the teachers and the students, they will automatically receive an email notification of their initial Yahki login credentials. When they log into Yahki, they will see that they are a member of the groups that have subsequently been created. In the first instance, they'll definitely see that they have not just the public Yahki access, but also the demo school or your school access. So the Yahki education channel is merely a walled garden. All the tools in the garden are the same, regardless of whether you're in the open garden of public Yahki or in your school channel. The only difference is the walls.